Well, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to be fixing the air conditioning on this Suzuki SX4. So I've gone ahead and ordered this pipe with a gauge on it, and then I've got basically a sealant for the air conditioning system. Goes into the low pressure side and works a bit like a puncture repair kit. Goes around the system, and when it finds a hole that's got an air leak, it creates a high pressure point, and that will basically sort of block the hole up and keep the gas from going out. So what we need to do is add this to the system and then add some more refrigerant in to top it up to the correct level. So it needs to be around 25 to 30 psi. You can go online and get graphs indicating what the pressure should be, and it needs about 430 grams worth of refrigerant, and we've got 112 grams in this, and I've got I think it's 430 gram bottle, so we should be good. I'll just show you inside the car now. I'm testing the air with a temperature probe on its coldest setting. It's saying it's 32 degrees in there, so we know it's definitely not working. And yeah, so the first thing we need to do is find the low pressure port, and it's right there. It's got a L on it to show you it is the low pressure port. I've attached the pipe on there, and it is showing it's got 25 psi in there, so there is some gas left in the system, but it's just not enough to switch the compressor on. The way that you can test that is when the compressor, which is down there, when the engine's running, you should be able to see the center of that spinning with the pulley. And also, if the air conditioning is working, one of these fans is a low speed fan, probably this one here, because it's got these noise reducing marks on it, and that's not spinning when the engine's running. So we're going to go and start the engine, get the system running, and then we're going to add this additive. So once you turn this, it punches the can. Need to shake it up. As you probably just heard, the air conditioning has just cut in. We just heard the compressor click in there. Just need to shake it around to get all of the additive out. Just left it on, and pressure is coming down on it now. I believe all of the can has gone in. You can see a little bit of it coming out there. We're going to leave it to run for a while. I'm going to go inside and check to see whether we've got cool air coming out inside the cabin. So sitting in the car now, we can see it's gone down from 32 degrees down to, that's fluctuating around sort of 14 to 16. So definitely dropped it down. To get the air conditioning to work effectively, you need to have recirculation on and at its coldest setting, and so that temperature will come down as the engine runs for longer. Yeah, that dropping down to 11, 10, 9. Yeah, there we go. Definitely working. That's been running for about 5 minutes now, and we can see the pressure has come down now, sitting halfway between 25 and 30. That's where basically the high pressure system sucks gas from the low pressure side. So that's about right for the temperature that we've got today. You can also see the low speed fan running. I don't know if you can see down there, but the clutch for the compressor is kicking in. I've got this, which is the top up gas to add to the system. So if it needs a bit more, then I can add that to the system to get it to work again. Yeah, so got that as a backup, but shouldn't need it in this instance. So hope this video has been useful. If you could like and subscribe, it will help me to make more videos just like this.